guys, it's Barb. Welcome to my channel. Please excuse my morning appearance and voice. I just woke up a few minutes ago and I wanted to start this video straight away because I'm starving. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day to gain muscle. So before I show you my breakfast, I want to say a few things about what I do. First of all, I don't really like diets. I'm not on a diet. I don't like to be strict with myself. And one thing that works for me is that during the week, like Monday to Friday, I try to eat as healthy as possible, like good carbs, high protein to every meal, good fats, many veggies and fruit. And at the weekend, I let myself free. By that I mean that if I crave anything unhealthy, I'm gonna have it, like sugary foods or fast food. I will have it without thinking about it, but still in moderation. It's not like I'm gonna spend my whole Saturday having junk food or anything, but if I want to have pancakes with Nutella, I'm not gonna think about it. Ever since I started doing this, it has helped me a lot to find balance, and also it motivates me to stay as healthy as possible during the week, so at the weekend I can have whatever I want. And one more thing that has helped me a lot to see progress to my body is that I count my calories. I know for some people this is difficult and stressful and maybe inconvenient because you have to weigh every food that you will consume, but it works for me very well because I know how much protein I consume through my day. So I can keep it very high. I know my fat, my carbs and anything, and this is a good way to see progress. And let's go make breakfast. So guys, for breakfast I'm gonna have this. It's not very Instagrammic, but I tried. It's one chocolate pudding from the Melbourne ones, chia seeds, banana, and I don't remember, oats, and I don't remember how this white thing it's called. It's something coconutty. Just because I go to the gym in the morning, this breakfast is not very heavy and it helps me to digest it easier. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you earlier is about the app that I'm using to count my calories. The one that I use, it's called Livesum or Livesum, I don't know. Anyway, let me know if you want me to create a video for this app so I can tell you how it works. This is what I'm going to have for breakfast, and I will see you for my second meal of the day. Hi again. It's been a few hours later. I just got home from the gym and also took a shower. Now I want to make the second meal of the day. I'm going to make a smoothie. I usually have a thick smoothie after the gym. Also guys, I usually have the smoothie when I get home and then I take a shower, but just because I'm filming today, I wanted to look as presentable as possible, even though I think that this whole video is going to be a mess. My smoothie is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. It has this green color from spinach. It's amazing and it tastes amazing. Also guys, I wanted to say that I make this video because I want to show you what works for me, and hopefully it will help you find your fitness balance and also get some inspiration from new recipes. Also, what works for me doesn't mean that it will work for you. Everybody is different. I need different calories, I need different portions. If you want to see progress and gain muscle, you have to experiment and see what works for you, and that's how you will see the results that you want. Lunchtime! So now for lunch, I'm gonna have tuna pasta. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's super quick, it's high in protein, and it tastes very nice. So lunch is served. I have pasta with tuna, 1 pickle, light mayo, corn, and Parmesan cheese. So yeah. So I'm currently cooking dinner. I'm gonna have a salmon wrap. I know they're very quick and delicious recipe. I put some parsley to my salmon and salt and black pepper. I'm gonna put a bit of ginger. I don't have the same recipes every single day. Sometimes I have more complicated recipes. But when I'm not feeling of cooking and I want something quick and easy, these recipes are delicious. This is balsamic steak. Look at this salmon. So here I have my tortilla. It's a wheat one. I'm gonna have some yogurt, Greek yogurt. I'm gonna have iceberg. Also, I noticed, guys, that for lunch I didn't have veggies or salad or something. So I'm gonna have to make sure that tomorrow I'm gonna have more. I'm gonna have 1 piece of the salmon. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is to put some avocado. Not so perfect, but it's okay. A little bit more of this stick balsamic and white sesame seeds. Here we have the dinner. Looks delicious. So guys, that was it. This is the last meal of the day. I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving. I'm gonna close this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about anything, about food, fitness, anything. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Share this video with your friends, family, whoever you want, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys.